Some issues need a human touch for more personalized support. If you want your AI agent to hand off conversations to your reps in real time, you are in the right place. Intelswift is built for that. I do have my AI agent already created. If you haven't yet checked out the video about how to create an AI agent, we recommend you to review it. It's easy, it takes just 2 clicks. But if you have doubts, the video will walk you through the steps. AI agent can assign a conversation to a live rep in 2 key scenarios: when the customer clicks the button, for example, talk to the human, or when the customer asks directly to speak with a person. All of our workflows come as ready-to-use templates, so you're never starting from scratch, but you can still customize them to match your specific needs. Once this workflow is active, here's what's going on behind the scenes. The AI agent will ask for customer's full name, but only once. Returning customers won't be asked again. You can also collect other customers' data if needed. The AI agent will then ask, why would the customer like to talk to your support rep? Based on the customer's response, the AI assigns the segment to this conversation. And if the rep is online and assigned to the segment, the handoff happens instantly, just under 2 seconds. The rep will get a live notification to jump in. To keep things fair, the AI will assign the conversation to the rep with the least amount of chats assigned to them, ensuring balanced workload and avoiding burnouts. And just like that, you've got seamless human handoff powered by AI. Go ahead and activate the workflow and give your customers the fast, personalized support they deserve.